Okay, each battery in this picture we're imagining each battery to be at 6 volts rating. And we're going to connect these 3 batteries together to create a single 18 volt source that's going to power a light bulb. So it's always a good idea to draw the schematic first and then use the schematic to show the actual wiring on the physical devices on the left. So we know in series, when you connect batteries together in series, the voltage keeps increasing. You add the voltages together. In parallel, if you connect batteries in parallel together, the voltage stays the same, but they last longer. So here we've got 6 volt batteries. We've got 3 of them. We're trying to get 18 volts. 6 times 3 is 18. So I'm going to put 6 volt batteries, all of these in series with each other. So let's draw our schematic first. So each battery is going to be connected to the one in front of it in a series circuit like that. There's my 3 batteries. And then we're going to use that to power a light bulb. Now the light bulb's not in the picture on the left. We'll add that at the end. So there's my sketch. Now generally speaking, when you draw the schematic, especially with batteries, they never draw the wires in between the batteries if they're in series. But there's always a wire in series that goes from the positive terminal of one battery to the negative of the next. Positive to negative. So there's our connections. Now I'm going to label these wires and the batteries, and we'll start our circuit. So this will be battery A, this will be battery B, and this will be battery C. On my diagram, there's battery A, there's battery B, and there's battery C, just so we can see what's going actually, what goes together from our schematic to our diagram. Now it doesn't matter where we start. Let's start in between the batteries, because sometimes that's the easiest. In between battery A and B, from the positive terminal of battery A to the negative terminal of battery B, is a wire. And I'm going to label that wire number 1. Right there. So positive on the actual batteries on the picture are the red terminals. So that's my positive terminal of battery A, and we're going to connect that to the negative terminal of battery B, which is right here. So this would represent wire number 1 right there. Now similarly, from the positive terminal of B to the negative terminal of C is another short little wire. There's the positive terminal of B, there's the negative terminal of battery C, and we've got another wire like that. From the positive terminal of C goes to one side of our light bulb. So from the positive terminal of C, we're going to take that out and go to one side of our light bulb. There's our schematic symbol for a light bulb. Imagine that's a physical light bulb. From the other side of the light bulb, left-hand side of my diagram, and we might as well be consistent here. Sorry, I'm going to backtrack a little bit. So I went from the positive terminal of C to the left-hand side of our light bulb. I'm going to call that wire number 3. So this represents wire number 3, and there's our light bulb. I'll just put a little circle around it with a little light on it, like that. That's our light bulb. Now from the left-hand side of the light bulb, we go all the way to the negative terminal of battery A. So now we're here. We've got to finish our circuit back to battery A, and we'll call that wire number 4. And we're done. We've connected everything.